Morning students, this is your computer class. So we were doing PowerPoint presentation and we were on viewing presentations. So students, I have encountered some of your doubts. Some of you wanted to know about the history of PowerPoint. So I'll be telling it from the very much starting. That means I'm going to begin this chapter again. But before beginning the chapter, since I had started presentation views, I want to finish that topic and then I want to cover anything else, okay? Because I had already started this topic, and if I leave it in the middle right here, then I think it will make you more and more confused, okay? So it's better that we finish what we started and then go to the introduction part again, okay? Now not many of you had asked me these questions, only a few had asked me this question. So I understood that you were having problem with the beginners tool, that is the very much basics you were having problems, okay? In the very much basic things you were having problems. So students, we will soon be covering it in our practical video, okay? But for now I want to finish the presentation views since I had already started that, okay? So kindly avoid what you hear in the background. So students, we were doing presentation views, and we had I hope one more thing I wanted to say to you students, I hope you have completed all your work, since your work is going to be corrected soon, okay? You will be called, and you will have to submit all the work that you have done till now, since all the PDF and study material was supplied to you by the teachers. So you will be called soon so that you may submit your work to us, okay? I hope you have done it nicely and neatly, and I know you have done it. I have no doubt in that, okay? So students, till now in presentation views for PowerPoint presentation, we have done normal view, outline view and slide sorter view. Normal view is the view which is default, set by default. We work in that view only whenever we start PowerPoint, okay? Then second was the outline view. इसमें हमको तीन पेज अपने स्क्रीन के तीन पार्ट्स देखने को मिलते हैं. पहला होता है स्लाइड जो सेंटर में होता है, उसके नीचे होता है नोट्स पेन, और लेफ़्ट साइड में एक ऐसे वर्टिकल कॉलम होता है जो होता है नेविगेशन पेन, ओके? तो हमें अगर कोई चेंजेस करने होते हैं तो हम इधर आसानी से देख के कर सकते हैं. इट विल शो अस ऑल द slide, all the thumbnails of our slides. Suppose if we have 5 slides in a presentation, it will show the thumbnail of all the 5 slides, okay? And I know you are having problem with the word thumbnail. I'll be discussing that too, okay? Next was slide sorter view. So basically slide sorter view also helps us to correct our mistakes, but उसमें सारी की सारी slides एक साथ आपके screen पर view हो जाती हैं. So it is more and more easy for you to make editing, to do the editing, to see, to find out any mistake and make corrections, okay? That's what it does, okay? And all these views are found in the same place. So the steps to open these views are the same, okay? I hope you remember that. So students, now let's go to the next topic, which is notes page view, okay? Notes page view. What is notes page view, students? It is very easy. First of all, I think these words are quite new for you, so you are getting confused, or you are किसी तरह का आप में एक डर बैठ गया है कि ये सब कैसे वर्ड्स हैं, वी आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, these are very easy words. Once we do the practical, you will understand, okay? There is absolutely nothing in these. So the new thing that we are learning today is notes page view. Now what is notes page view, okay students? So view, what is view? व्यू से मतलब देखना, कोई भी चीज़ हमें कैसी दिख रही है, ओके? दैट इज़ व्यू, हाउ वी आर सीइंग थिंग्स. Notes page view is this kind of a view, okay? So this is my computer screen, okay? This is my slide that I want others to see, that is my audience. Suppose I am making a presentation in your class, okay? And I am doing it in notes page view. So I have something to show you, but I also want to write something and not to show you. So this is what a notes page view does. Okay, what it does is it will split my screen into two parts. Okay, this is my slide and this is my notes. Okay, I want you to see this, so you will be able to see this, but you will only see this, and this part can only be seen by me. Okay, so my slide, it says noun is a part of speech. Okay, you will be able to see that noun is a part of speech, but you will not be able to see this, my notes that I have made. Noun includes person, place, animal, things, both physical and abstract. Okay, this is just for me and this is for you. I can also see this, I can also see this, but you can only see this. You won't see this since you are the audience. Okay, so notes page view helps us to write the points which can only be seen by presenter and not the audience. Okay, this is what it does. It will split your screen into two parts. One is seen by the audience, whereas both these parts are seen by the presenter, that is me. Okay, I'll be able to see these both, but you will only see these. That's what notes page view does. Okay, now let's go to the very last topic of this very last point of this topic. Okay, so it is reading view. What reading view does, students? So one of you asked me about the slideshow. Okay, slideshow, how do we make a slideshow and everything. So students, making a slideshow is very easy. However, if you have made your slides and you want to see how your slide is looking during a presentation, how it will appear in the presentation, so we use reading view for that. Okay, it will show the appearance of your slide during a slideshow. Okay, so it shows actual appearance of the slides on the screen during slideshow. Okay, now when the presentation is made, students, the ribbon is hidden. Now what is a ribbon? Let me show you. This, you see, this below the tabs, below file, home, insert, design, these are called tabs. Okay, these are tabs, एंड इनके नीचे जो इनसे रिलेटेड ऑप्शन आते हैं, जिस पर भी हम क्लिक करते हैं उससे रिलेटेड ऑप्शन आते हैं, और जहाँ पे वो ऑप्शंस अपीयर करते हैं उसको हम रिबन कहते हैं. ओके, दिस इज रिबन where normal slide sorter. Now I have only written the topic's name, I have not made the whole ribbon here. I'll show you. Okay, so this is called ribbon, these are called tabs, and this is called status bar. Okay, I hope you understood. Now very big feature of this view is that ribbon is hidden. Since in slideshow we won't be able to see our ribbon, so reading view helps us to see how a slide will appear during a slideshow, and that's why in this view the ribbon is hidden. Okay, and the status bar however does not hide, and two buttons appear here, very important buttons, next and previous. Next to go to the next slide and previous to go to the previous slide. Okay, and if you want, you have seen how your slides will appear, and you are satisfied, you don't want to make any more editing, or you have seen anything that you want to change, so you might want to go back and make changes or save the file, any purpose, it could be any purpose. And for returning, students, you have to click escape key. Escape key is not on the screen, students, it is on the keyboard. Okay, so you have to click on escape key, and you will go back to the part where you can make all your editings or save your file or anything you can do there. Okay, or there is one more way, we can click on other views. How are we going to click on other views? So students, here comes status bar. Okay, now this is my status bar. Here you are going to see many options, and view also appears here. Okay, हर तरह का व्यू यहाँ पे अपीयर करेगा, स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू अपीयर करेगा, नॉर्मल व्यू अपीयर करेगा, आउटलाइन व्यू अपीयर करेगा, नोट्स पेज व्यू ऑल्सो अपीयर्स हियर. ओके, notes page and reading view is also there, so you can click any view from the status bar and you will return back. Okay, just return. Okay, and this is how reading view helps us. Okay, now I hope you have understood how these views help us to make our presentation, how they help us to modify our presentation. Apart from these views, students, we have some more views. Okay, Now detailed study is not required here, just an introduction, so I'll be telling you. Okay, now the three views that we have to see are slide master view, handout master, notes master. Okay, these three, and where they appear, students. Now you remember, uh, we have to open PowerPoint. Okay, first step is opening PowerPoint, so I'm just writing here PP. Okay, for shortcut, I hope you understand. PP stands for PowerPoint right now. Okay, we click on PowerPoint, we get this program or software started, then we click on views. Okay, after clicking on the tab view, okay, the ribbon related to views appears right below views. Okay, where we can see normal view, outline views, slide sorter view, all the views, reading views, notes page view, all the views appear right below it and right next to those views. Okay, suppose I clicked on views और इसके नीचे सारे views आ गए, normal view आ गया, slide sorter view आ गया, outline view आ गया, सारे views ऐसे आ गए. So students, this is my presenter view, and right next to it I will be able to see slide master view, handouts master and notes master. Okay, इसके just बगल में I'll be able to find all these three options as well. Okay, right next to these. Okay, so this is how we see these three options. Now let's see the functioning of these three views. Sorry, okay, views. So slide master view. So student, slide master view is kind of important. When you make presentations, you might want to make quick modification in your slides. Okay, abhi what is a real headache, that while making your slides, suppose you have 10 slides, you have made a presentation of 10 slides. Okay, now if you want to modify your slide, suppose we want to add our school logo to each and every slide. Now opening each and every slide and then inserting our school logos picture is going to be a tough uh, uh, thing for us. Okay, we won't be able to, I know it takes a lot of time to open all the 10 slides, just an example, all the 10 slides of a presentation and insert the picture and then resize it and do every sort of thing. Okay, and it is a real problem. So here comes slide master view. What you do, you click on slide master view, you choose this option, then you make changes in one view and it will affect all the slides, which means we want to insert our school's logo, so we have to insert it in the one of our slides and see that make some modifications in our slides, and then that logo will appear on every slide, which means all the 10 slides of our presentation. So we just have to make changes in one slide and it will affect all the other slides. Okay, it affects the appearance of every slide. I hope slide master view is clear to you. Okay, next is handout master. So students, suppose you are making a presentation. I'm first using an example. Okay, suppose you are making a presentation, you have made a presentation. So you have made a presentation and you have some audiences sitting right in front of you. Okay, and you want them to know what content your slide has. So here you will use handout master. Okay, this helps you to make your slide, or generally for printing purpose. So generally for printing purpose you will click on it and you will make your slide. It will show every content of your slide on a single sheet. Okay, and you can hand it to your audience so that they know what things you are on, what topics you are going to make your presentation. Okay, so this is what handout master does. Okay, and you can change your background color in the slide for the purpose of printing. You can make changes in the design. You can see how the layout is. Suppose if it's portrait in the vertical form, or you want your topics to appear in the horizontal form, landscape, this is called landscape. Okay, horizontal one is landscape, vertical one is portrait. Okay, so you can make all these sort of changes, resizing of the blocks you can do here. Okay, when we open it I'll show you. Okay, I hope the purpose of this is clear. Lastly, notes master view. Now this helps us to print the notes of our slides in an organized manner, in a very structured manner. We can print the notes of our slides. Now you must be remembering, students, we just covered our topic called नोट्स पेज व्यू. सो नोट्स पेज व्यू में हमने जाना कि दो पार्ट में स्क्रीन स्प्लिट हो जाता है. एक पार्ट जो ऑडियंस को दिखता है, एक पार्ट जो ऑडियंस को नहीं दिखता, सिर्फ प्रेजेंटर को दिखता है. ओके, सो इट विल हेल्प यू टू मेक चेंजेस इन मोस्टली इन दैट वन. ओके, सो it will help you to print your notes in a very structured and organized manner. Okay, and these do not affect the appearance of the notes in normal view. Okay, so this is how we understand these three extra views that we have got. Okay, so where can we find it? Open PowerPoint, click on views. I am telling you again and again, students, so that you may not forget it. Okay, it's very easy to open these. Then after clicking on views, what we have to see? Presenter views, presenting views. Okay, so in presentation views, you will be able to find normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, and reading view. And right next to these, you will be able to find slide master view, handout master, notes master. Okay, so this is the topic for today. Now I have understood you are having some kind of basic doubts, so I'll again cover the introduction part for you. Okay.